Hi, if you like to enjoy your morning breakfast coffee or evening tea time with some snacks like me, then I'm sure you would enjoy this whole wheat banana walnut bread. Let's see how I make it super quick and easy. Here, I've taken 2 ripe banana, mash them well. You may also blend it in a blender. To this, I'm adding half cup maple syrup, half cup coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give them a good mix. To this, I'm adding all the dry ingredients, 1.5 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and also some roughly chopped walnuts. Initially, give it a gentle mix so that the walnuts get coated with the flour so that it doesn't sink while baking. After that, give it a good mix. Now, I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of milk and mixing it well. It's ready. Now I'm brushing some butter onto the baking pan and I have preheated the oven to 365 Fahrenheit. Top it up with some chopped walnuts and bake it in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes. I took it out after 35 minutes, brush it with melted butter on top and let it cool down completely before cutting it. Once it's completely cooled, cut them and enjoy for your breakfast or as an evening snack. I have given all the ingredients and measurements list in the description box below. Please check it out and try this healthy banana walnut cake and leave me a comment on how it turned out for you. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.